This 1/2 inch, press
25,
open.
a quarter. That's crazy. I was always so scared to go into Blue Woman. It was always so packed.
I have no
Now-
desire to understand what's everywhere.
Let's show you how to work this out. What we're going to do is set this the way we did the machine finish waistband and the machine finish cuff. So you set the under collar to the inside, bring the, or stand, inside, the understand to the, understand, do you understand? To the inside.
Just nod and smile.
Just, yeah. And then the interface one, which is the outer one, goes to the outside. So this is the interface one, pressed up, goes to the outside. The collar sits on top of that. You need the interfaced collar to be on the top, because that's the outer collar. So outer stand, under collar, outer collar. Okay? So I'm going to set, you have center front notches on the collar stand, which get a little bit interfaced up. So you can just reestablish those. Then I'm going to set the collar from notch to notch.
That's so good.
And when I sew, I'm going to start sewing. This is at 3/8. I'm going to start just off the collar, then I don't have to backstitch. Feed up through. Again, you should have center back notches to line up. And I'll just run over the end of the collar so that I don't have to backstitch there. Now, as you're sewing, the tendency is for the foot to push your fabric down. So you need to be easing back as you're sewing, and be sure that the seam line is on the end of the collar. What you don't want is for it to be rolled this way so that you see that seam. It should be on the end. There. Then I'm going to take the other stand and sandwich the collar and sandwiches.
So basically,
We have
the
lunch.
two fabrics that are
No.
touching are always one interface, one not interface, right?
Yes. 3/8 all the way around.
We could recap this.
When I sew these together, I'm putting the pressed up seam flat. You have to sew that turn down.
It's a top heavy piece, right?
Sorry?
It's the top fabric that we have to use?
Well, you can see when the foot pushes this down, so I'm going against it, I'm easing that back. They are the same size, it's just that the foot does a little job on that